how to add shipping description for customers on Ecwid. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add it. First, open your browser, and now once you're here, click shipping and pickup, and then once you're here, click edit. And as you see here, we'll find shipping settings, and scroll down. Here we'll find description for customers. Now just type anything you want here and then click save. It will be saved, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.